In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer charge in the sales module and save it for future invoices. We'll start on your accounting or billing dashboard. From the main menu, open the sales section, then choose customers. This takes you to your customer list where you can search or scroll to find the correct account. Make sure you're working in the right company or location if your organization uses multiple business entities, and confirm you have permission to create charges on customer records. Open the customer profile you want to bill. At the top right, you'll see the Create Invoice button. Instead of clicking it directly, select the small drop-down arrow next to it. This reveals additional billing options specific to the customer you're viewing, which is where we need to be for this workflow. From that drop-down, choose Create Charge. A charge is a billable item you record on the customer's account without generating an invoice immediately. It's perfect for logging work done or expenses incurred that you plan to include on an invoice later, all while keeping your records tidy and accurate. Now, enter the charge details. Start by confirming the customer name and the date of the charge. Add a clear description of the product or service so anyone reviewing the account understands what it covers. Set the quantity and rate or unit price, and verify the correct tax settings apply. If your system supports categories, projects, classes, or cost centers, assign them here to keep reporting clean. You can include a reference or a memo for internal notes and attach relevant documentation such as receipts or work orders if needed. Double-check currency, discounts, and any required fields to prevent save errors or downstream adjustments. When everything looks correct, click Save. You should see a confirmation, and the new charge will appear on the customer's timeline or transactions list. Most importantly, this charge can be added to future invoices. That means the next time you create an invoice for this customer, the save charge will be available to pull in, helping you avoid missed billables and keeping your invoicing process consistent. Before wrapping up, quickly review the customer's account to confirm the charge posted as expected. If you spot a mistake, open the transaction to edit or delete it according to your organization's policies. For repeat work, consider using a consistent description format so charges are easy to identify later. And that's it. You've navigated to Sales, opened Customers, used the drop-down beside Create Invoice, selected Create Charge, entered the details, and saved it, ready to be included on future invoices.